Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to hard reset Samsung Galaxy S23 smartphone. Okay, this is helpful for those who have forgot their password. As you can see, incorrect pin entered. You can see incorrect pin entered. Okay, to do hard reset, first connect your Samsung Galaxy S23 to the laptop and PC with the help of USB cable. So here now I'm going to connect it to my laptop with the help of USB type A to type C cable. Okay, now connected. So as you can see, it is successfully connected to my laptop. Okay, now press and hold the volume up, down and power key together for a few seconds like this. Press and hold it. Now release and press and hold the volume up and power key together for a few seconds. Press and hold it like this. And release. So as you can see, it will send you in Android recovery mode. Here you can see this is the Android recovery mode. Now volume key is to move up and down and power button to confirm. Okay, now go to wipe data factory reset. Here we have a wipe data factory reset. Here we have wipe data factory reset and confirm. And you can see wipe all user data. This cannot be undone. All data on this device will be erased. If your SD card is encrypted, all data stored on your SD card will also be lost. Here you can see. Okay, here go to factory data reset and confirm. So you can see data wipe complete. Now reboot system now. And guys, after hard reset, it might take some time to boot up the device, and after hard reset, when asked for password, use Google account instead to unlock the phone. So guys, this is the method to hard reset Samsung Galaxy S23 smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for the latest updates.